class, who would like to do problem 3 on the board?
Please don't be me. Please don't be me.
I know, Miss Einstein. Let's give someone else a try, Ralphie. How about you, Sophia?
Actually...
Recess!
Whew! Saved by the bell.
What happened, Sophia?
I froze in front of the whole class. What if I'm not smart enough to do math?
That can't be true.
It would be so cool if my brain was like a muscle. Then I could exercise my brain to make it smarter.
But I thought we were either born smart or not smart. It turns out that's not true. Some monster-rifically cool scientists studied the brain and learned that it works just like a muscle. If you exercise your brain, it grows stronger, which means that anyone can get smarter.
That's monster-rific!
But how do you exercise your brain? By challenging it.
Like when you work really hard to understand a tricky math problem?
Exactly.
Okay, so we know we can grow our brains and get smarter, but how do we do it? Sit on the couch and eat ice cream. Do easy math problems all day long. Do a few challenging math problems. What's your answer? Click here to tell us on Adapted Mind. Hurry, before time runs out.
I'm ready for some brain exercises.
Yeah! Let's grow our brain with some challenging math.
I have just the thing. Let's try some addition below 10. Let's begin. What is 5 plus 3? We can solve the problem by counting on. We start with the bigger number, 5. And then we count on. 5, 6, 7, 8. Well done. Now try this one. What is 4 plus 6? Again, we start with the bigger number, 6. Know the answer? Enter it on Monster Math, where you can make your very own monster avatar and earn pets for the math problems you get right. And parents, a real teacher explains any problem your child misses, so they can learn all by themselves.
What will you do next time you face a challenge? Give up. Pretend it's not a challenge. Remember that challenges help your brain grow. Have an answer? Click here to tell us on Adapted Mind. Oh no! Do it quick!
Great idea! Try out super skills for yourself. In the meantime, let's get back to addition, shall we? Let's do another problem together. Try this one. What is 2 plus 7? Click Play Now to check your answer. Again, we start with the bigger number, 7. 7, 8, 9. Let's try another. What is 4 plus 4? Be sure to click Play Now to check your answer. Both numbers are 4, so start there. Then count on. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And one more. What is 6 plus 3? Hurry! This is your last chance. Click Play Now to check your answer. Again, we start with the bigger number, 6. 6, 7, 8, 9. Thank you so much for counting with us. your child can do more fun Munchkin math.
And learn awesome super skills at adaptedmind.com.